Alright, so yan guys, good morning. So today is the day, no? So we're preparing po, pupunta tayo ng SM Bacoor for our grand opening. So see you there guys! Time guys, so ayan, this is the day, no? This is the day. And finally, we are here na sa SM Bacoor. So tara, bisitahin natin kung saan located si Audi Parfums natin. This is the entrance ng lower ground floor guys, papunta sa kiosk natin. So if you can see, ayan. So ayan guys, ayan po ang ating grand opening dito sa SM Bacoor. So kayo, puntahan nyo na po kami lower ground floor and see you. Welcome to Audi Parfums SM Bacoor!